starting point for everything is stock control. If you haven't got control of your stock, you haven't got control of your business. So every single day we carry out a full site stock control system, which is very, very easy to do with the SI system. It literally is a case of going to your stock location, inputting what that stock location is, and then literally just scanning everything that's in that room. Everything will have a ticket and everything will be stock taked. That includes freezers as well as fresh. So when the operations manager comes in the following morning, he knows exactly what we have on site, where it is and what condition it's in, date-wise, quantity-wise, and also whether it's frozen or fresh. From that point, that allows the operations manager to develop the plan to ensure that stock rotation is taking place on a FIFO basis. So we have full control then throughout the whole process. Keeping such a close eye on the stock and close control on the stock, it allows us to give a stock report each evening to the customer so they know exactly what is left on site when their deliveries need to be with us the following day based upon what our run rates are. This also means that we're able to control our run rates, so we generate a report at each break time to understand exactly how many units have gone down the line. Are we on target, are we behind target, or are we in front of target? That allows us then to vary the line speed to make sure by the end of the day we've actually maintained and hit target.